So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So after a very long time, I finally read a non-fiction. I read this in the month of September. This is Think Straight by Darius Foroux. So Think Straight is a very short and concise book of little nuggets of wisdom sprinkled throughout in the form of really short chapters. Author mentioned that he is inspired by William James, who was one of the founder of philosophical school of pragmatism, and most of the book is inspired by that. As per the Oxford language, pragmatism is an approach that evaluates theory or beliefs in terms of the success of their practical application. In this book's context, what it means is that we all have ability to choose one thought over another. In other words, we can control what we think. The emphasis is on deciding, and that's what this book is about. So with practice, you can get better on controlling your thoughts and choosing one thought over another. So author mentioned that he's not a neuroscientist, psychologist or philosopher. So this book is not science heavy or philosophical. It's a motivational guide based on his personal experience, which he mentions in every chapter, how he personally experiences this and how he came to this conclusion. So that was interesting. I like that part. It's not a deep exploration of anything. It's just a quick bite-size read, which you can read just for quick motivation. You can read this in an hour and a half. There are few things that I really liked, and I wanted to mention those few points. I have compiled those points based on his few chapters. This is about thinking process as well as some other parts which are not related to thinking process or straight thinking. So the points I'm mentioning is related to straight thinking, which I liked and I wanted to mention in this video. So first thing he mentioned is focus on what you actually can control. So what you can control are your desires, your actions, your words, and your intention. This will automatically filter out 99% of your thoughts which you can't control. You need to work on that 1% of your thoughts by working on your problems or gaining knowledge. For that, you need to be more self-aware, get to know yourself more and ask questions about yourself. Second point he mentioned is to question your beliefs, because your beliefs are not 100% true. You have to listen to other people's perspective also, and don't trust your mind completely, because most of your thinking is always affected by cognitive bias like confirmation bias, recency bias. So there are a lot of biases that always cloud your judgment. You can't not get affected by these biases, but you have to be aware of these so that you can actually take decision mindfully by keeping these biases in mind. Next, he talks about don't take any decisions quickly. Take time to think, because often we get quite impulsive, and that is our knee-jerk reactions, and you can't take that back. So always take time to think about your decisions, your answers. Fourth is think outside the box. If your conventional thinking is not working for you, then take the unconventional route. Always think out of the box and reflect regularly on your previous journey. Don't get stuck in the past, but keep a journal with you. Keep track of your decisions, your thought process at that time, so that you can in future you can analyze your thought process at that time and how far you have come. So keep a journal entry for that. Never think your path is linear. You have to be flexible with your decisions, and it always not going to go according to you. So be quick and be ready for that. One which I really liked was create more than you consume. Your action should always be more than your thinking. So improve your thinking to improve your action. So consume but create more. That was one thing I really liked out of all these points. And apart from this, as I told you earlier, it's not only about thinking straight. He also goes on some other tangent where he talks about other things also, like improving productivity habit, improving money decision making, building meaningful relations. And if you have not read many self-help book, I think this is fine book as a starting point, and it's not very long. But if you have read a lot of such books, so this will feel like a very journal book. It also feels like a motivational post, LinkedIn post. Don't expect something groundbreaking. Talks about a lot of things, little nuggets of many topics, many points, but does not delve deeper into anything, and you can't expect this in this sort of a book. It's a good book for a refresher if you want to just boost your productivity. For that, this is good. So I will give this a 3 star. It was fine. I have read self-help books with much better understanding and with much better points. This digital era where these kind of posts are all around you, you will not find something very new. But I think for a quick refresher, this one is fine. So this was Think Straight for me. I have two more books by this author. This I borrowed from library, so I'll have to return this one. I have two more books by him on my physical TBR. One is Do It Today, and second is Focus on What Matters. So I will try to read them and see how his exploratory book on a particular subject, how helpful that will be for me. So I'll keep you updated for that. So see you next time. Bye.